All right, guys, for level 4 and 5, I'm gonna go through and give you the equations first and show you how I got the equations. Then I'll come back through and solve them. So number 1 says, okay, we have two numbers. We have x and y, right? So it says the second of two numbers, which would be the y number, equals 4 times the first number. Well, that's 4 times the first number. Okay, there's one equation. And now we have a sum equation. The sum of the numbers, the sum of the numbers is 20. So x plus y equals 20. Remember, the sum equations are really easy. So it should really be easy to solve that now. All right, number 2, the second number. Okay, the second number, y, equals 6 more than, I'm adding 6 to something, twice the first number. Okay, that makes sense. I'm adding 6 to twice the first number. The sum of the two numbers is 15. So that just means x plus y equals 15. Okay, let's see. I guess this problem. What is it, 10, 11, this is number 12. The sum of two numbers is 38. Okay, that's the easy equation. When you add the two numbers together, we get 38. And the second number, okay, the second number, y, equals 7 less than, so I'm taking 7 away from something, twice the first number, 2x. Okay. And those should be really easy to solve, but I'll get those in a second. Level 5. This one's ridiculously hard. It's not ridiculously hard, but if you guys can get this, then I know you're an A+ student. Okay, let's see. This one, I have nickels and quarters, so I'll call it N's and Q's. I have 7 more nickels than quarters. So if I say, okay, how do these compare to each other? Do nickels equal quarters? No, I have 7 more nickels than quarters. So if I wanted to make these equal, I would have to help out my quarters pile by adding 7 to it. I have 7 more nickels, so I'm going to have to add 7 to my quarters to make it a fair fight. So that's one equation I can get. And here's the equation that makes it hard. I have a total of $1.25 or 125 cents. So if I have 125 cents, I have to ask myself, how do I get that 125 cents? Well, I take my nickels, and we'll call those N's, the number of nickels I have, and I'm going to multiply those by 5 because I get 5 cents for every nickel. And I'm going to take the number of quarters I have, which is Q, and we're going to multiply that by 25 because I get 25 cents per quarter. So I get 5 cents for every nickel plus 25 cents for every quarter, and together that equals $1.25 or 125 cents. Will you be marked off if you can't do this? No, I just want to see those people who are like extra. All right, but from that equation, I would expect you to be able to get it. All right, I'm gonna go back and solve these ones. Let's see, y equals 4x. So that means I can take out y and plug in 4x. X plus 4x equals 20. 5x equals 20. I'm going to divide by 5. X equals 4. So that means if x is 4, then y is 4 times 4. Y equals 16. All right, for this one, if y is 2x plus 6, then I can take out y and plug in 2x plus 6 and get x plus 2x plus 6 equals 15. X plus 2x is 3x plus 6 equals 15. I'm going to make it negative 6 on the other side. 3x equals 9. So I'm going to divide by 3. X equals 3. And I'm going to plug this back in over here. So y is 2x plus 6. So y is 2 times 3, because we know x is 3 plus 6. Y equals 6 plus 6. Y equals 12. Okay. The sum of two numbers is 38. Okay, we know y is 2x minus 7. So I'm going to take this y out and make it 2x minus 7, since I know that's what it's equal to. So x plus 2x minus 7 equals 38. 2x plus x is 3x minus 7 equals 38. I'm going to add 7 to the other side. 3x equals 45. I'm going to divide by 3, x equals 15. I'm going to plug this x in for this x and say y is 2 times 15 minus 7. Y equals 30 minus 7. Y equals 23. I'm going super fast to make this video short. Okay, last one. If you were able to get the equation, you've done the hard part. The math is not that hard. N is the same thing as q plus 7. So we can go 5 times n is q plus 7. And we copy the rest. This 25q equals 125. All right, this is the only hard part. 5 times q is 5q. 5 times 7 is plus 35. And then plus 25q equals 125. Okay, let's see. 5q and 25q is 30q. Plus 35 equals 125. I'm going to move my 35 over here, make it negative 35. 30q equals 125 minus 35 is 90. Divide by 30. Q equals 3. So I have 3/4. Okay. Now that's really easy to plug that in all the way over here and say nickels equals quarters plus 7. So nickels equals 3 plus 7. And I have 10 nickels and 3/4. All right. Good luck. Hopefully you can do all those. If you can do level 5, superstar. If you can do that from the beginning, I doubt you can. But hopefully you've seen it once. If I give you something like that again, you're like, oh, I did yesterday's review. I know how to do this. Maybe I used 2 different quarters or 2 different coins, and you just maybe instead of saying 5 cents for a nickel, you say 10 cents for a dime. Hint, 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 hint. Okay. Good luck.